But this one, now you don't see what that you must talk. So you came and met him.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. If today is your first day of coming across this channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe, share this my video to all your family, your brother, your sisters. Yes, if you want get to know me, I have family channel, Esther Family TV. Yes, so you know me there. My people, mais on a con hier, mais on a viens ici, viens ici, viens ici, hazo, hazo de teo, hazo, hazo de. Now don't hear that word. Now I'll play. May I play and
play money for this life. Hazo.
Now here, hazo, my people. This news why I bring come out for now. This I know a lot of our youth for Nigeria. Me una come. I pray make this my video still get to now. Me una play am. May you not ever say because of this person they drive limousine or they drive the latest Jeep. You want to go do something when you don't know where he come for the come, where for the same money. I think I see this our brother when he say hustle with money when they flash money. Now, not know the income of the money when you go the buga. Oh, lo, buga. See, and they say, many days for the thief, one day for the owner. He don't they cry now. May I tell now the story? I'll still leave the video for now. This, our brother, I will call him our brother because it's Nigeria, it's Africa, yes. They kidnap people. He agreed now, saying only 2 times. Now he don't kidnap. Then his wife newborn. May they release and be waiting. When you go they kidnap people, they beat people. If forget, say he reward they come for him. Now they come catch him. Hand don't meet him. Now they beg say they forgive him. Now one man when they say, I know you. Now you are go point for court. You jam among of the people when kidnap me. But we not come our people. Why not just decide to they punish your fellow human being? Why? Your own fellow human being and they gather they face the crisis for your country. Now just decide, say me una kidnapper. If the person even get money, you know how you say they get the money. You know whether not they say kidnap you when they do so now the person they do. Or maybe the person they try to strong go to do legit work. You now you need quick action money. Now you say your wife new, but that your wife not know say you be kidnapper. That your wife, she not know say you be kidnapper. Yes, I will need to ask you. We ladies out there, follow man when you got follow strong goal. Not follow quick action because of you see say your guy they drive Hummer Jeep. Man when they drive Hummer Jeep, you want to follow. As you see and you don't born new now, they package your husband. They don't arrest your husband. That will not be double punishment. I wish they don't arrest this your husband as you put to bed now. Oh, the gang, the criminal, the thief, they will gather. They will get a buga. Oh, guga. Oh, lo. I beg, we women, double think how you choose husband. Look where, not waiting that your husband they do because when the judge go come, when the judgment go come, may you not say I die no. Now I don't arrest her and I don't dey prison now. Only you want to confess the child. The suffer when all those people don't suffer, now your own come be part. Yes. Now will come be part. Why kidnapping? Why? And you see even both come outside and say, hustle! Because now you the hustle pass. Oga, hustle! Face the law. Go face the law. And what I get, my people? I beg if you get brother, if you get sister, if you get husband, advise them. No matter what you know they suffer, no matter that suffer, and tell them they encourage them. Once you encourage your husband, say you don't get, you always encourage them. You try to still do something. Try to still shake body. Try to still do something. In fact, he go there with you. You understand? If you see say now girl when you like you my hair when like the latest thing, latest iPhone, my oga buy me latest phone. Say I don't dey praise it now. Choose well. Encourage your husband, encourage your guy, encourage your fiancé. Say, today, now we know, tomorrow will be greater than today. Let's manage what we have and focus with God. I believe if you have fear of God, with this your husband, no anybody not say, you don't know. He know. Why you don't know? As me and my oga dey house now, I no know wetin they do. If you dey hide down, oga dey buy car, buy the latest car, they flash money. Oga, wetin be your company? Oga, wetin be your wetin you dey do? Oga, me I like to know. Oga, if you not tell me, you don't even know whether na your head na they do ritual. Or they do another work, except they buy they do, but you will still know income now. Like Europe, you know how much your husband they get. Yes, kidnap. Your fellow human being, I gather they pass the crisis for Africa now, for the whole world, now. You say now only two, as far as you agree for only two, it don't tell you for inside. Go face the law. I will leave the video for now. May una watch with the big belly when it be like that.
Get money for this life. Also.
So you want to tell us that only 2 people don't join the group? You're a liar. Now this time, I don't carry me. This face, I see. I mean, they lie down for. Come out here. I see your face. They lie down. Koro. I go court. You be the first person where I go point out for court. You dey lie down koro for cheer. When they carry me, they butcher me to die. So you want to tell us that only 2 people don't join and go kidnap? You're a liar. Lie. I see your face. Now this time, I don't carry me. This face, I see. I mean, they lie down for cheer like this. I don't see. Come out here. I see your face. They lie down koro. I go court. You be the first person where I go point out for court. You dey lie down koro for cheer. When they carry me, they butcher me to die.
Sir, I don't know anything concerning your matter. Yes, they always call about for job. The guy name is Milo.
This one. Now you don't see what that man talk. So you came and met him. So you want to open your children.
Don't tell us that only 2 people don't join and go kidnap.
Yes, sir.
You're a liar. Now this time, I don't carry me. This face, I see. I mean, they lie down for cheer like this. I don't see. Come out here. I see your face. They lie down koro. I go court. You be the first person where I go point out for court. You dey lie down koro for cheer. When they carry me, they butcher me to die.
God. Sir, I don't know anything concerning your matter. I don't know.
Lie. I see your face.
I don't know anything concerning your matter. Sir, please, forgive me. I beg, sir. Sir, forgive me. My wife just wants to have a boy. I see God.
Look at.
Break a leg. You would have forgiven him. Are you the look for forgiveness?